What up, Dirt Bike Lifestyle? It's me, Jetboy. I'm down in the corner. You guys know me. I'm the professional fun haver, amateur dirt bike rider. I've been doing it for 23 years. I started in C class. I made it up to A class. And this is my POV. Jetboy Co. is all about taking you guys through the dirt bike lifestyle. We love the POVs. That's why we share them the most, because we just think that on the track stuff is so cool. Our goal is to show the world how cool dirt bikes is, and one video at a time and one subscriber at a time we're doing it. So we can't thank you guys all enough for watching and liking the videos, subscribing to our videos. Speaking of videos, we're coming to you live from BCMX for what is a rough track. It is not smooth and fresh prep like you always think it is. I was almost gonna do the fresh prep track, and I was like, you know what? Let's give them something else. Let's give them a little rough track. I will say that the track normally is rougher than this. This is an earlier session in the day. So it is rough, but it's not as rough as it can be. And I think that makes it fun. It gives it the roughness, but also the smoothness to go fast. So you have to be careful about your line choices and things like that because it is rough. But the berms are still smooth and flowing. So we still get to go real fast, and I like that. That makes it real fun. And as an added bonus, we got rain. The rain comes in, it throws it off. I actually slow down a little bit, you can tell, and then I finally pull that tear off, and then I speed right back up. I'm like, all right, back to it. I wanted to have something a little bit more realistic. Like, this ain't a video game. This is real life, baby. We're doing it, and I want you guys to just see what you think. I always say have fun, enjoy this video, but that's because I have fun watching them and I enjoy watching them. But maybe you don't, maybe you do. Let me know in the comments. Maybe there's something that's missing. We're always trying to innovate and make things better. That's the goal at Jetboy Co. is to, we want these videos to grow so that we can share it with more people and spread the dirt bike lifestyle. If you're watching, you like dirt bikes, then you probably know what it feels like to be on a dirt bike track, but maybe you don't. And that's A-okay. That's why we make our videos, so that you can see what it's like to be on a dirt bike track and what it's like to ride a dirt bike. And I like to say that I started in C class because I was a slow guy. I was at the back of the pack. I wasn't the fastest dude, and I've never been the fastest dude. So it's very, very realistic because I'm not at the top. I'm just an average dirt bike rider that's just been doing it long enough to get good. With that, I will stop yapping so you can hear the bike. You can feel what I feel, and I will let it go at that. Catch you later, dirt bike lifestyle. Let's go.